I'm Caitlin Kirky, and welcome to my new listing here at Casameia Magic. It is an exclusive condo located up in El Cerro neighborhood here in Puerto Vallarta, and as you can see, we have beautiful views of the Pacific Ocean and of the Sierra Madre Mountains. We're in a peaceful area, yet very close to the vibrant heart of the city. This 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom condo is designed for those who seek luxury, comfort, and a true connection with nature. Each bedroom features its own ensuite bathroom and spacious walk-in closets. The layout is perfect for those who value privacy and comfort. The kitchen is modern and functional, with granite countertops, high-end appliances, and custom Perota wood cabinetry. Everything is designed to make cooking here a pleasure. The living room connects to the terrace through floor-to-ceiling glass doors, allowing for incredible natural airflow and a constant sense of spaciousness. And this terrace is simply magical. Start your day with coffee overlooking the ocean, or end it with a glass of wine as the sun sets behind the Pacific Ocean. There's also a half bath for guests, ideal for keeping the private areas separate. This condo is a 15-minute walk from Puerto Vallarta's Malecon, where you can enjoy iconic sculptures, outdoor performances, and postcard-worthy sunsets. This waterfront promenade connects the historic heart of the city to the romantic zone. It's perfect for walking, taking photos, tasting local flavors, or simply soaking in Vallarta's vibrant energy. Just a 10-minute walk uphill through murals and lush greenery, this lookout rewards you with a breathtaking panoramic view. The sunset here looks like it was painted by hand. Pepe's, a Mexican and seafood restaurant on Guadalupe Sanchez Street, delighting locals and tourists since 1986. Famous for fresh tableside guacamole, oversized margaritas, and a festive vibe with live mariachi, every dish celebrates Mexican tradition. Panorama Fine Dining, since 1973, is known for exquisite cocktails, premium cuts, and fresh seafood served tableside by a private chef. The top floor open terraces offer Vallarta's best sunset under stars and ocean breeze. Plus, it's only 25 minutes from Puerto Vallarta's International Airport, offering easy and convenient access. Just imagine yourself living here and waking up to see these amazing views every single day. Don't miss out on this outstanding opportunity. Click like, subscribe, and contact us today.